All right, hello, Internet Bling here, back with some updates for the channel and life in general. Sorry that I haven't updated YouTube or made a new video for a while. I suffer from chronic fatigue that I've had for it's been nearly 26 months now, and that periodically comes in and out, and I'll be in bed for a week or 2 weeks or a month or whatever. So I have been in bed for the last month and unable to do any work at all. I have been trying to complete my course as well, so that's been eating up all my time. What with being ill or recovering from being ill now, I've only been able to concentrate on one thing at a time, so that had to be my course. More about that later. But my one product that I've been pushing now for nearly 9 months, but we're in the 8th month, and it's hit 164,000 US dollars in sales. And I can show you that by coming here. This is the product. I've blacked it out obviously, but if we go to, I started pushing it here on July the 2nd, 2020. If we go through to today's date of making this video, which is March the 26th, 2021, and you'll see here net sales 164,400 US. So it's pretty amazing. Sales are still climbing, and I did think I was going to kill this product off, when I started my course back in November. Now it has taken me a while. I was down to a few ad sets only. I was beginning to kill more and more off, but this product still keeps making sales. So I've just continued making and using lookalike audiences. And when you use lookalike audiences, like I show in my course and on my channel, you can continue to run these ad sets for months and months. They just keep on bringing in the money. I've hit 200k overall with Shine On. So if we go, I'll just prove that to you. This is my app interface in my Shopify store. It's actually 206k in revenue, 130k profit, minus the cost of my ads. I'm not sure what they are right now, but you can see this is possible. Anybody can make this work, so I encourage you to try it out yourself. I've now moved into CBO ad sets. I'm going to do a separate YouTube about this because they've been extremely profitable, and I could never really get them working before, but I've kind of managed it a little bit. I'm no expert, but they are beginning to work, and they seem to me right now anyway in Ads Manager to be a bit more consistent than ABO ad sets. Maybe that's just me. Maybe it's the time in Facebook ads. If you've been working with Facebook ads for any amount of time, you must have realized that they do tend to change things around every now and again, and this works for a time and then it stops working and vice versa. So what I've actually done is slowly started recycling all my lookalikes from before when I was running ABO ad sets earlier in the year and last year. I've started trying all these out with CBO ad sets. Some of them work, some of them won't, but that's the approach I've been taking. And I've also started to rebuild a lot of my lookalikes as well from the newer data that I have in Ads Manager, and I'm very confident that I can take this one product up to 200k. If you didn't clock that, that's just one necklace, right? This one here, it's one necklace, this one item, SKU, and these here are just the variants. You've got silver and the gold, and you can pick to have either one of them engraved or not. That's that. I'm pretty happy with that. 164k off one necklace is pretty good. And I know that I'm not really that big a baller. There are many other people I see posting numbers all the time in the Shine on Facebook group who are making this a week or easily a month. So I'm well aware that, I'm sort of quite a small fish, as it were. But again, the proof is in the pudding, and you can make a lot of money using Shine On. Finally, after months of work, some of you on here anyway will be pleased to know my course is finally live. The link is in the description of this YouTube. It just got approved on Udemy literally half an hour ago. It ended up as being 8.5 hours of content, over 40 lessons. I will be adding more updates to the course. You're allowed to do that on Udemy, so it'll end up being longer. And as time wears on, I'll be adding other lessons, new lessons with new content. For instance, there is a lesson I need to do explaining where and how you add a custom domain to Shine On. I haven't actually added that yet. There are instructions on the Shine On Facebook group about that, but I'm going to make a lesson myself. I'll put it up on YouTube when I make that, probably next week now, and I will also add it to my course. But it's perfect for newbies, and if you're experienced as well, there's a lot of really good info in there that I think you'll find useful. Particularly the full week-by-week breakdown of how I scaled my product from 0 to 100k income in just 12 weeks. It's also got the product reveal in there if you really want that, and it costs just $79.99, which I think's really cheap. I'm just trying to offer good value here to everybody. I could have made my own portal and put my course up like that, like a lot of other people tend to do, and charged $500 for it, like $999 or whatever a lot of people charge for their courses. But I'm just trying to make things right for everybody, and I think $80 is a very fair price for the amount of information in here. And yeah, the link to get my course is in the description of this YouTube. I will be emailing everyone on the waitlist. There's a couple of hundred people on there already, so if you are on the waitlist, expect an email. And that's it for this update. Now the course is complete, I will be resuming a more regular upload schedule on YouTube, so look out for more lessons on there. And if there's anything you'd like me to make a lesson about, please do leave me a comment and I'll try and help you out. All right, that's it. I'll speak to you soon. Bye. In 2021, online e-commerce sales are expected to surpass 4.9 trillion US dollars. Isn't it time you took your slice of the pie? While you may have heard a lot about dropshipping, 2020 and beyond has not been an easy time to do it due to COVID-19. The global pandemic has affected shipping times from China and resulted in a lot of angry customers and bad feedback. Many dropshippers have been shifting their business model to print on demand. Some say that this is the future of dropshipping. Using my print on demand methods, you don't need a Shopify store and its associated costs. You don't need to hold stock, chase suppliers, or handle any customer support. With print on demand, all you do is make the designs and handle Facebook ads. Everything else is done for you. By using print on demand suppliers based in the US, you don't need to rely on importing product from China. Shipping times are quick, customers are happy, you make money, everybody is happy. The methods outlined in my course made me over 100k over a 12-week period and continue to make me money right now. I've made over 200k with this print on demand supplier, and this is only the beginning. Watch over my shoulder as I take you through everything that you need to get set up. I talk about print on demand, how and where to get your designs made, and what the whole process involves. Next, I move on to Facebook ads, and I go through absolutely everything you need to get started. If you're a complete newbie, it's no problem at all. I've got over 8 hours of content in this course, and I show you every single step you need to set up your Facebook business manager, your ads manager, your Facebook and Instagram pages, and then how to tie everything together. Everything is included and nothing is left out. After this, I walk you through my own 100k product. I show you the exact design that I used and the exact ads strategy that I used as well. You can then take this and use it yourself with your own print-on-demand products. I break down every single one of my ad campaigns that I used to make 100k. And like a lot of other course instructors on Udemy, I show you everything and I leave out nothing. Not only my wins and successes, but my losses and bad ad campaigns as well. I'm human, I make mistakes just like everyone else, and throughout my course, I try and be as real as I can the whole time. I'm not super rich, I don't have a huge house and a supercar. I choose to spend my money travelling and having experiences rather than acquiring material possessions. That's just me. And okay, travel has been out this last year obviously because of COVID, but I hope you see where I'm coming from. If you want to get out of the 9-to-5 rat race, work for yourself, work online, travel, work off of a laptop, then this course is absolutely for you. Print on demand is the future of dropshipping, and with my course I can show you how to do it yourself and start making an income for yourself. I hope to see you inside, and I hope to help you. so you can start making an online income for yourself.